Good afternoon. Today we are invited out by Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay for a preview of their Howl-O-Scream Halloween event. Now, Howl-O-Scream is a spooky event with lots of frights and scares, a little bit more of an adult themed event too. So there will be flashing lights, there will be jump scares, there might be a little bit of like gory stuff happening. So if you are not interested in that sort of subject matter, you may exit the video now. For the rest of you guys, it's gonna be fun. So for this event, we didn't get to enter into the park through the normal entrance, so we're not starting the video in a normal place, like we're not starting it in front of Busch Gardens. We entered in through a backstage area. And then we entered into the Gwazi Pavilion, where we got to see a preview of some of the food that's coming to Howl-O-Scream, some of the Howl-O-Scream merch, and then we got to see their newest haunted house, D.H. Bagham's Circus of Fear. And they strapped a camera to me, and I walked through on my own. I went through the entire haunted house by myself. Super spooky, but it was a lot of fun. After that, we got to go check out the Junkyard, which is a scare zone that has been at Howl-O-Scream for the last few years now. And basically, it is kind of like a place where you can see all kinds of Howl-O-Scream relics from years past. And they've turned that into a scare zone. So we go around. There was no scares during that part. We did go around and see if we could see some stuff that was there from previous years of Howl-O-Scream. So thank you to Busch Gardens for having us out, and let's head on out to Tampa. We have some food here that will be available at the event. Because this is a media event, I believe that these portions are probably a little bit smaller, but we're excited to try them. So the first thing that we've got is the slaughtered pork leg, slow braised pork shank with spicy Asian barbecue glaze. Then we also have the Raven Roadkill Slider, smoked and pulled chicken, pepper slaw, and sriracha aioli. Yes, and this guy certainly approves. Ooh, the Devil Dog, all beef hot dog, chili, pepper relish, fried jalapenos. That sounds real interesting. I just gotta ask the chef a few questions if he doesn't mind. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions about this food? Is it gluten-free? Gluten-friendly? Ah, cat's got your tongue? Got a few other things over here. We got the sacrificial roasted corn. Oh, and then they're gonna bring out some more Philly cheesesteak egg rolls, but we've also got some buffalo chicken egg rolls. Oh, they're bringing them right now. Oh my goodness, look at that display. Ooh, yeah, we're gonna be starting with this. They also have on display for us a spooky armadillo. Spooky. There he is. He almost did a dramatic pose for a second.
Sometimes he does. It's a natural behavior. He'll just stand up.
Oh.
And dig.
Oh, wait, what kind of armadillo is this?
He's called a screaming hairy armadillo.
A screaming hairy armadillo?
Yep. So they get their name because they're hairy and they do scream. However, it's more so when they are in distress. So we have never heard Wilhelm scream, which we think is a great thing. He's pretty comfortable here at Busch Gardens. He's about 4 years old. And these guys are native to South America. Most armadillo species are native to South America. The ones we have here in Florida are the 9-banded armadillos. They're insectivores, so he's eating lots of mealworms in here, but in their natural habitat they would be eating ants and termites, really any insects that they can find.
Oh, I love him.
Yep.
I also love that you named him Wilhelm. Amazing.
You got it. You got the joke.
Yeah. The spookiest cupcakes. So this one is the buffalo chicken egg roll. This one is the Philly cheesesteak egg roll. And this one is the sacrificial corn. I'm not sure what makes it so sacrificial, but I will let you know when we bite into it. All right, the first thing I'm gonna try is the sacrificial corn because there was no other descriptor of it other than that it's just called sacrificial corn. So there's like a cream or a cheese on the top. Let me see. The spicy mayonnaise on top. Oh, that's nice. Very spicy too. So I feel like this is sort of like elotes. Like elote. They're good. Very spicy though. Be warned, when you come to the event and you go for the sacrificial corn, it's like opening up my ears. Wow. Well, it's got a kick to it. Ooh, it's very delicious, and I'm not one who particularly likes corn, but this is really good. So I'm gonna stick with the spicy and go with the buffalo chicken egg roll now, because that way I can finish off with the Philly cheesesteak one and maybe not so spicy. There's a look at the inside of it right there. Let's see here. Okay, there's like a blue cheese dressing on the bottom. That's very nice. Very blue cheesy. I like it. It kind of tastes like it's fried with Doritos or something. That's really good. There's definitely a Dorito flavor in here. I need to talk to a chef. Is this fried with Doritos? All right, we're gonna try the Philly cheesesteak one. I like that they put a little ketchup on there. Oh, that's not ketchup. Oh, it is. It is a ketchup, but it's like a artisan ketchup. Oh, a little bit of spice in there too. Some jalapenos. I like that. That was creamy. It was steaky, like beefy, crispy, and then jalapenos. I really tasted like I was having like a jalapeno popper, a little bit of beef in it. By the way, Stouffer's or whatever, you guys should make that. Add some beef to your jalapeno poppers. That was really good. All right, so we went and got the hot dog, and they said that in the park this will be full size just for us. It's like a little mini dog, little mini one, but in the park this will be a foot-long hot dog. So this has chili, pepper slaw, and jalapenos, fried jalapenos. Sounds spicy. Here we go again with the spicy things for Halloween food. Let's give it a try. Look at it, it's such a cute little hot dog. Is that better? Yeah. See a little bit of this hot dog here. Let's give it a try now. I'm loving the chili on top. That chili is really flavorful though. Like a heavy tomato flavor. Oh, it's like burning my lips. Wow. We're getting all kinds of different spice from everything that we're trying. So this one's burning my lips. The last one was in the back of the throat. Welcome to Spice Town. Whoa. That's a spicy hot dog. Wow. I'm gonna be sweating by the end of this video. I am still eating it though because the hot dog is delicious, the bun is delicious, and the chili itself, very delicious. But quite spicy, really spicy. There's a little pepper jack cheese on the bottom. Look at you guys sneaking a little pepper jacky cheesy in the bottom. Wow, that's a good hot dog. Man, you guys know I love my hot dogs. Very tasty. All right, so up next we have the Raven Roadkill Slider. This is smoked and pulled chicken, pepper slaw, and sriracha aioli. Welcome to Spice Town. Oh, I like that a lot. It was very flavorful. The smoked chicken adds like, it's a smoky flavor to it, but it's also a very tender chicken, pulled apart. Not as spicy as the other stuff that we tried. Still a little spicy, but I can't really tell if that's just leftover from the hot dog or if this is very spicy. I am not getting a lot of the pepper slaw, but I am getting a lot of the sriracha aioli. And sriracha is just like a good flavor to begin with. The pepper slaw also seems to be a lot of oniony flavor too. I'm like really excited for the event to come and have this. This sriracha aioli, if you guys don't do this at home, mixing sriracha with mayonnaise, I highly recommend it. This is delicious. All right, now we've got the slaughtered pork leg. This is slow braised pork shank with spicy Asian barbecue glaze. Spicy. Let's give it a try. I don't know how you eat this thing. Look at, you just know it's spicy because it's just red. Oh, I got the wrong side. Like the sauce on it's really good. This is the least spicy thing that we've had so far. Yeah. Pork super tender. Very juicy. It's good. I like it. Not as spicy as I would imagine it would have been. A little bit sweet actually. Just a little bit, just like a hint of sweetness. Pretty good. Pretty good. All right, got some desserts too. I got chocolate strawberry, and this one's just regular old vanilla. I'm gonna try this chocolate cupcake with the strawberry on top. Pretty good. I just like chocolate chip cupcake with vanilla icing and like a strawberry jam on top. All right, let's try this vanilla one. Standard vanilla. I mean, that's pretty good. It's like a normal cupcake. It does have some sort of like filling on the inside. Got like a custard inside of it. Ooh, delicious. Now we can say we've seen an echidna for real life. Look at that nose. Really does look like a little mythical creature, doesn't it? They also have a little display for us with some of the merch. I like this shirt. This is a shirt that we have seen in the past, but now we have a lounge fly to go with it. I don't remember seeing this in the past. Then we've got Howl-O-Scream, like a baseball jersey almost. Let's see if I can see on the back of it. Oh yeah, 31 for Halloween. Spooky. Oh, it's like a spooky torch necklace. And it reacts to the music. Is this like the no scream? I'll have to ask about that. Have like a denim jacket, some skulls on it. Oh, and like a splatter paint skull motif going on here with a cross-body bag and a spirit jersey. Howl-O-Scream. All right, now it is our turn to go through the haunted house. Can I have a scream cam going? Should be pretty good. I'm very excited. We've heard some people that have already gone through, and they said it is spooky. I'm ready for it. Here we go. We are heading into D.H. Bagham's Circus of Fear. And this actually replaces Deathwater Bayou. Deathwater Bayou has been at Howl-O-Scream for 10 years. And it was retired at the end of the event last year. Come one, come all to the most terrifying show you've ever seen. D.H. Bagham's brings all his monstrosities that are sure to make your spine tingle and your blood run cold. So, let's go inside and see if our blood runs cold. We're going in. People are sleeping. There's a big sign up top that says freaks.
Go!
Jeez Louise. It's me, it's Tim.
Yeah!
Yeah. Oh no, I hear like lions and stuff.
Perfectly.
Okay. This is already pretty spooky. Oh.
Tim, we've been expecting you.
Okay.
Join us, Tim! Join us!
Okay. Should I? Like maybe I should. Hello.
Enjoy the last show of your life.
Oh, that's ominous. Oh. They got me.
Hi, Tim.
Hello. I like that they're using my name.
Hurry! Stop the Tim! We got ice cream soda, Timmy?
I kind of wanted ice cream.
Timothy, quarter or an arm and a leg, your choice.
What? An arm and a
A quarter or an arm and a leg, 25 cents or an arm and a leg.
I don't have any money.
Enjoy the show.
Thank you.
Coming up for two.
I like it. That's exciting. They're offering me ice cream and like, I don't know, something was 25 cents? Oh, I think it's 25 cents.
This is Mr. Tim. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
What a bite.
Is that a chicken wing?
Watch out, please.
Just the ice cream, man.
You have to try my new fresh flavored frosting.
Okay. Everybody, so is the ice cream, man. Okay.
Welcome to my grand finale starring you, Tim. And it's gonna be a killer show.
Oh no, that's not good. Thank you. This is fun and exciting. So, we're in the dressing rooms now?
Do you feel it? Yes, Kurt. Makes you see things.
It's,
Tim, he'll make you his.
it's all about the ice cream.
You're gonna make a fine addition, Tim.
Okay. Kind of liking the idea that there's ice
Bring
cream.
on, Tim.
I'm not,
Don't stay with us.
I kind of want to.
Just stay with us,
Because there's
Tim.
ice cream, right?
Stay a while.
Oh, we're still going. Look at this. Oh. That was fun and exciting. Like,
Tim!
yes.
I'm gonna serve you over my Sunday!
Okay.
One eye at a time! Have a great day!
Thank you. I like that they offered me ice cream the entire time. Well,
How'd you escape?
I didn't eat the ice cream, I don't think. That was great. It was a good time, yeah. All right, so we just got out of Circus of Fear, D.H. Bagham's Circus of Fear, and yes, our blood did run cold. It did, in fact, run cold. Just so happens, it was in a way we didn't expect. It was through the form of ice cream that was offered to us around every bend. And I do have to admit, I am very interested in getting some ice cream now. So, you never know. Your night might end with a delicious ice cream treat. So we ended up in a scare zone called the Junkyard. It's really fun because we can see all kinds of different pieces from Howl-O-Screams of the past. Take, for instance, Motel Shelburne, which is the famous sign from Motel Hell, the haunted house. We pay for dead stock. What else? Let's see what other kind of different things we can find. Oh, kangaroo crossing. Ah, the dreaded washing machines. You can tell this is where this is where somebody who would jump out and scare you would stand, because the side of the washing machine and dryer, or the two washing machines, is all beat up from them banging it to make a loud noise. The famous phrase from Howl-O-Scream, nowhere to hide. And also, you're dabbing on them. I don't remember the name of this house, but I think it was called Simon's Slaughterhouse. There's a sign over here for Deathwater Bayou, which is what we just talked about. Deathwater Bayou was in the location that D.H. Bagham's is now. This looks like it was the top of the church house, or the chapel, from The Shortcut. Over there, Camp DOA was a scare zone. Class deceased. Whoa, Mothman. There he is. He's huge. Oh, a little skull in there. That was a big skull, I guess. Deadfall. The Junkyard, that's where we are right now. This is so fun. Camp DOA. Oh, wow. Lots of stuff here. Another Deathwater Bayou. So Deathwater Bayou had a few iterations throughout its time here. Whoa, look at that guy. Spooky Town. Oh, none. This is so cool. Oh, what is this one? Whoa. Okay, see you next summer. I think that was Camp DOA. What was this one? Nightshade Toys. It's pretty neat that everything's kind of just overgrown back here, too. Camp DOA again. Oh no, this guy looks like he's had better days. Same with these. Oh my. Oh my goodness. You guys look like you're having a rough evening. I like this tiny horse. You get out of here, tiny horse! Go on, get. Crash test zombies. We love it. Cattle. And this would be the exit. Out. Oh, Wasteland. Busch Gardens. How much fun is all this? Like, it's just neat being in here during the daytime to be able to see some of these things without people just jumping out and trying to frighten you. They have a new activation this year at Howl-O-Scream that they're calling Scarioke, where there'll be a host on various stages throughout the park, and they'll pull you up to have you sing some karaoke. What could be spookier? All right, we are back. We are all done with our little preview event. Super excited for the full event. We will be coming back at a later date. So Howl-O-Scream is a separately ticketed event that runs from September 8th through October 31st. And like we've said, these are separately ticketed, so you can't get in on a Busch Gardens day pass. You have to purchase a specific Howl-O-Scream pass. And then you can go to the event. It is after the park is closed, so it will be dark outside, a little bit more spooky. There are scare zones, there are haunted houses, there's food. It's a really good time. So if you're interested in more information about Howl-O-Scream, we'll put a link down below the like button, and we will be headed back to Howl-O-Scream at a later date to experience the full event. So look forward to that video coming out very soon. But today was a great day. And we wanted to say thank you to Busch Gardens for having us out. And with that being said, we are off. We'll see y'all tomorrow. And now it's time to pay the price.